Don't scare the bird away. Ohayou gozaimasu.
Ohayou gozaimasu.
So we're here, our first full day in Lisbon, Portugal. And as you can see, it's a very beautiful, beautiful morning. Alright, so anyway, we're gonna go explore today. We're just probably gonna walk up the water and see what Lisbon has to offer. Not super crowded, really. Alright guys, so we're here at a place called Castelo de Saint Jorge. And it's a castle here in the hills of Lisbon. And it was built by the Moors, kind of like Alhambra, and taken over by the Christians. So we're gonna check it out. But up here, they've got some really nice views. Back there. Alright, so let's go explore. This is how Mickey looks like when she's mad. Oh. See? We took an Uber up here to the Castelo de Jorge, and the Uber driver actually was a tour guide, so she was saying how because Lisbon is a city of 7 hills, so there's a lot of good lookouts, a lot of good sightseeing places, and one of them being this place. I mean, look at the view. Look at the view. Nope. Oh, it is the castle. So going through this castle. I think we've been through so many castles on this trip. Another city, another castle. It's still pretty. Just another castle. We're up here at the top of the tower of the castle. It's nice, as you would expect.
Yes, great view, but hot.
But tired, look.
Hot. Just a direct sunlight here.
It's very hot.
Shade.
It's hard to appreciate the view sometimes when it's so hot, but it is beautiful. You get to see the ocean views all around, the water views. Gorgeous. So hot. It's so hot. It's so hot. I'm not complaining. Try not to complain, but it really is so hot. Oh my gosh. So much sun. 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 Aquacom gas break. Don't bother the cat. Don't bother him. Alright guys, we're here at the Lisbon Cathedral, which was actually a mosque that was converted to a church once the Christians took it over. Let's check it out. What do you think about that church?
It's beautiful.
It's getting really hot still, but we're moving on, going to our next destination. I don't know where we're going. Look, tuk-tuks here. Somebody tell me why there's so many tuk-tuks in Portugal. When did they introduce tuk-tuks to Lisbon? I thought it was only an Asian thing, you know? Like in Thailand or Vietnam. But not in Lisbon. Or the Philippines. Why here? Someone tell us, please. I think really strong. Another tuk-tuk. They're everywhere. So what kind of flavor is that?
Seaweed.
The green stuff, right?
Yes. I like it.
Alright guys, here we are at the Santa Justa elevator. It was built and opened in 1900s. And apparently it was designed by an apprentice of Eiffel, or someone who was heavily influenced by Eiffel. The guy who did the Eiffel Tower, so that's why a lot of people come and check it out. So are we gonna check it out? We're thinking about it, because apparently like the line to get in there is just long. 30 to 45 minute wait to go up there and just to see, you know, the views of the city, which we kind of did already from the top of the castle. But you know, it's still a cool like tourist thing, I guess. But yeah, look at this line. See, the line here takes all the way to the back. But you know, it is a pretty gorgeous looking elevator. And to think that it was actually built in the 1900s, like, it's cool. They said it was actually used to be powered by steam, like back then. It used to be powered by steam, you know, steam. So now it's modernized, but it's pretty cool that it was built in the 1900s and it's still working. Alright, so we decided we're gonna go tomorrow. I think there's just way too many people. And I think they're all here because it's like later in the evening, but we're gonna try to come in early in the morning tomorrow. I think now we're gonna get some food. Pretty hungry, yes? Alright. Alright guys, so we're here at a place called Mercado da Ribeira, and it's like a kind of a high-end food court. So you just kind of go around, get some really fancy Portuguese food and eat. So we're just waiting on our first order, some Piri Piri Chicken, but we're gonna be eating a lot more than that. So it's pretty loud in here too. Alright guys. Alright, first up we have Piri Piri, Portuguese barbecue. Good? Juicy? Like it? Crispy? That's juicy. Very tender, very fresh. Alright guys, next up is sushi, and the fish here in Portugal is pretty fresh. We'll let Mickey, the in-house Japanese foodie, tell us how good this sushi is. And? Not bad? Good? Fresh? Okay. Alright, and I think third, we have some octopus rice. Looks pretty good. And some sardines and tomatoes on bread. Hot?
This octopus is really soft.
We're 3 of 3. Good stuff. Alright guys, now for dessert we're gonna have pastéis de nata, which is the Portuguese egg custard tart. We actually decided not to go to the pastéis de Belém today, which is a really famous one that makes these things really, really well. But we're gonna try this now and compare tomorrow to see how good the pastéis de Belém is compared to just a, you know, one that's probably pretty good too. Alright? So here we go. Right. It's fresh too. Yeah, it's really fresh. Oh man, hear that crunch? Ah. So good. So good. That was pretty good. Compare it tomorrow to see how the other one is. Alright guys, so we're done here at the market. We're pretty full. Definitely highly recommend this place. If you're here, it's like a high-end food court. But we have to have a timeout. We're gonna go back to the hotel and probably call it a night. But for now, I'm gonna say good night. So good night.
Good night.